it's Jess from Cook with Jess, and today we're going to be making a crumble. Okay, so you know the drill. Before you do any baking, you need to have washed your hands. And here's what you'll need. You will need 825 grams of fruit of your choice. So that could be apple, rhubarb or plum. We're going to be using apple. And to prepare this, you will need to have cut it into small pieces, cook it for 10 minutes, and yeah, should be a little bit soft, so if you just mix that, it will turn more into puree, but there will be a few lumps in it, so that's fine. You can peel apples, but we have them. Okay, and you will also need 225 grams of plain flour, 60 grams of caster sugar, 115 grams of softened butter, and about 2 handfuls of oats. We are going to be using some maple syrup just to drizzle on top, but you can put sugar on your apples, or golden syrup, or honey. It's up to you. Okay, so the next thing you're going to need to do is take your dish and your fruit, and now just put your fruit in the dish and smooth it out at the bottom. Okay, so that is roughly smooth now. It doesn't have to be super duper smooth. So I now just like to pour some maple syrup just over the top. Okay, so now just put that to one side and take your big bowl and put in your flour, your sugar and your butter. Now you're going to get your hands dirty, so put your hands in and just kind of breaking up the butter in any clumps and making it like a crumbly texture, like breadcrumbs. The butter can get stuck to your hands, so make sure you take that off so you're not wasting any of it. So just rub your hands together. Okay, so this is now done, nice and crumbly. Rub your hands together so it gets all out. Okay, so you now need to take your oats and then just pour those in and just mix those in lightly. You might want to wash your hands. Okay, so now you've washed your hands, take your fruit and your crumble top and you now need to put your crumble top onto the fruit. So you can like spoon it in, or you can just tip it in. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna tip it in because it's quicker. So make sure to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now just flatten that down with your hand. Okay, right, so that looks now flat. Okay, and now you can I'm gonna put some maple syrup just on top here. So you now need to cook this in the oven for around 30 minutes. So the top should be golden and the fruit needs to be bubbling. Okay, let's put it in the oven. Obviously be careful around the oven because you are using hot appliances. While you're waiting for your crumble to cook, you could go down and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Click that notification bell to get notified every time we post a new video. Also, comment down below if you've made this, see how it turned out, or if you've got any other questions on any other recipes that we've made. Or you could go over on our Instagram, follow us at secular_productions and DM us there any questions. Make sure to tell all your friends and your family, everyone you know about us, and tell them, make sure to try out some of the recipes that we've made. Make sure to check out Josh's videos on filmmaking. Ooh, it's ready. Oh, it looks delicious. Okay, so the crumble is now done. It is slightly golden on top and the juice is bubbling around the sides, so it is definitely ready. Now just leave this to cool for a little bit until it is still warm, and then you can just enjoy it while it's warm, which is really nice with some cream or ice cream or custard. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!